Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. So, if you've been searching for ways to fade those pesky age spots without spending a fortune on expensive creams, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 3 super effective home remedies that will help you erase age spots with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. And trust me, the last one is a hidden gem you'll wish you knew about sooner. Age spots, sunspots, dark spots, whatever you call them, they're just a sign that our skin has seen a lot of sunshine and good times. But hey, we can totally minimize their appearance without breaking the bank. Remedy number 1. Lemon juice and honey, spot treatment. First up, we've got a classic beauty remedy that's as simple as it is effective. Lemon juice and honey. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and natural acids that gently exfoliate the skin, while honey hydrates and soothes. Just mix equal parts of lemon juice and honey, apply it directly to your age spots, and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to notice those spots fading away. Remedy number 2, potato and lemon juice mask. Now, if you've never heard of using potatoes on your skin, you're in for a treat. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agents that help lighten dark spots. And when you mix it with lemon juice, it's like a power duo for fading pigmentation. Grate a raw potato and mix it with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it as a mask to the affected areas for 20 minutes, then rinse off. Do this a couple of times a week, and you'll be amazed at how quickly those spots start to disappear. It's like nature's magic eraser. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Remedy number 3. Apple cider vinegar and aloe vera toner. Next up is my absolute favorite because it's gentle, refreshing, and it works. We're making an apple cider vinegar and aloe vera toner. Apple cider vinegar is great for lightening dark spots thanks to its acetic acid, and aloe vera is perfect for calming and nourishing your skin. Just mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and aloe vera. Apply it to a cotton pad and gently dab it on your age spots every night before bed. It's super soothing, and over time, it'll even out your skin tone and lighten those stubborn spots. Remedy number 4. Papaya Scrub, my secret remedy. All right, it's time for my secret weapon. Papaya isn't just delicious, it's amazing for your skin. Papaya contains enzymes like papain that naturally exfoliate dead skin cells and help to fade dark spots. Mix up some papaya with a little sugar, and you've got yourself an all-natural scrub that'll not only lighten age spots, but leave your skin glowing. Massage it onto your skin for a few minutes, leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off. You'll be shocked at how smooth and bright your skin looks afterward. Use once a week for glowing results. So, there you have it. 4 super easy, affordable, and natural ways to fade those age spots and reveal fresh, even-toned skin. Whether you go with the lemon and honey, the potato and lemon mask, or my secret papaya scrub, your skin will thank you. Be sure to try these out and let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try first. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing natural beauty tips. Stay glowing, everyone.